Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, let's learn how to use the Google Classroom application. Now Google Classroom application is a very powerful platform for teachers who conduct online classes as well as for students. As a teacher, you can upload your materials in the form of videos, photos, PDFs or links from your Google Drive or from your mobile device. You can give assignments, tests, to students, you can evaluate it as well as you can return it. So basically it reduces a lot of paperwork and you can have all your subject materials, assignments and tests in one place. So this video is mainly for students on how to use it. So first thing which you have to do is you have to download the Google Classroom application from the Play Store. So this is available in the Play Store with over 100 million plus downloads with a rating of 3.8. So once you download and install it in your mobile device, so Google Classroom application icon looks like this. Now I click on the Google Classroom application, you'll get an interface like this. So in this interface now you have to, if your teacher has created a classroom, then you have to join the classroom. Basically there are two ways to join the classroom. One way is by clicking on the link sent by your teacher in mail. So in case if the link is not sent and your teacher has given the class code for you to join in the classroom, then you have to enter the class code. For that, you have to just click on this plus icon and click on join class. Once you click on join class, you have to enter the class code. So I'm entering the class code here. I enter the class code and then I click on join. Now I am part of the Google Classroom for 6th semester B section. And here you can see all the assignments given for this subject. Okay, so when you click on, so here basically the interface which you are seeing now is called as the stream. In this stream you can see all the conversations made by your teacher, communications by your teacher, as well as all the materials sent by your teacher. So when you click on this new assignment number 1 on the stream, you can see that an assignment has been given by your teacher with a due date of 23rd July and the marks allotted for it is 30 points. Okay, so then you can see who are all the teachers for this subject, as well as you can see your classmates by clicking on the people tab. Once I click on the people tab, you can see that there is only one teacher here and all other students have not yet been added to this classroom. So the next thing is you can also see the materials which is sent to you by your teacher or the assignments given to you by clicking on the classwork tab. Here if I click on classwork tab, here also you can see the assignment which has been given to you. Now let's say you need to submit your assignment. Then you can either click on the assignment from the stream or from the classwork tab. Once you click on this, just click on this assignment number 1 from the classwork tab. Once you click on this, as I told you, it shows you the number of marks and the due date. Now click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, you can upload your assignment. Now assignments can be of any type, like it can be it may be requested by your teacher in the form of a typed document. So you can type it in Word and upload it as a photo or a PDF or a Google slide or a drive. Say for example, if I click on add attachment here, you can see number of options, like you can upload your assignment which may be a typed document or a handwritten document which is scanned using any scanning application. So you can upload it from the Google Drive or as a link or as a file, or you can just take a photo of it and upload, or you can record a video if it is a video assignment, or you can record it from a docs or slides or sheets or a new PDF document. Okay, so here I just click on Drive. I just click on My Drive, and here I have a handwritten assignment sample and which I have scanned it using a scanning application. So I'll just click on it and then click select. Once I click on select, you can see that the assignment is now attached. Now you have just attached your assignment, but for you to submit the assignment to your teacher and for your teacher to evaluate it, you have to hand in your assignment. This hand in is called as submitting the assignment. If you want to type any comments, then you can type it using the private comment section. You can just write assignment submitted and then click on send. And then you can hand in your assignment, which is equivalent to submitting your assignment. So here you can see one attachment will be submitted for assignment number 1. Then click on hand in. So now you can see that your assignment work has been submitted. Now your teacher will be evaluating your assignment and you can see your assignment marks from the stream or from the classwork tab. And now to check your assignment marks, what you have to do is just click on the Google Classroom. So here you can go through the stream and look at your assignment marks and check whether your assignments are evaluated or not, or you can go to classwork tab also. So here I am just clicking on the assignment from the stream. So here you can see that you have been given a marks of 30 out of 30 in assignment. When you click on the arrow, you can see that the teacher has given a remark of good. And when you click on the PDF document which has been evaluated and sent by the teacher, you can see that she has written a remark, write your name, and she has also put a tick mark on your assignment. So this is how you check whether your assignments have been evaluated or not. Similarly, you have 3 dots here. When you click on the 3 dots, you can send Google feedback. If you want to send any feedback to Google, you can do it by clicking on the send feedback, Google feedback here. When I click on here, you can see that your mail ID appears. You can type whatever feedback you want to give, and you can also click a screenshot, or you can also include system logs as a part of the feedback and click on this arrow mark icon, which will be sending the feedback to Google. So this is how you use Google Classroom to submit your assignments and to submit PDFs, Word documents, photos, Google Slides from your Google Drive or from your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you found it useful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.